Slay or Die here. Welcome back to my channel, you Slay Squad. One of my people that watched my videos said called me Slay Squad, so I was like, wow, that's so cool name for you guys. So Slay Squad, welcome back to my channel. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, just hit the notification button and hopefully YouTube will do its job and notify you. Now, I have not been getting some of my notifications, and I'm kind of annoyed because I haven't been getting notifications for people that I watch. And I'm annoyed because, I'm not sure what YouTube's doing, if it's a glitch, if it's on purpose, or what the deal is. So, anyways, on to the review. So, I got a little package in the mail. It's from Kris, and excuse my mess in my room, y'all. It's from Kylie Jenner. It's from the Kris collection. And it's got Kris Jenner on it, and I had to have it. I haven't watched the show lately, but I did watch it years ago. When the two younger girls were smaller. I think one episode I remember is when I think Kylie was sneaking a puppy in that their mom let them have or something, and they were trying to hide it from then Bruce, and it was so cute. What I really watched the show for was I really watched it for the antics of Kylie and what's the other girl's name? See how long I haven't watched it for? I don't even know the name. Can't remember her names. Um, anyways, I like to watch what they would do, their antics and their interactions with the mom. Kim was okay and the other folks, but I mainly watched it for the little girls. So, anyways, it just kind of remind me of playing tricks on my mom or my dad. They always had like little I don't know, little adventures going on. So that's why I liked watching it. And so, anyways, the package retailed for, well, I got the whole shebang, so it retailed for like $150. And I wanted to get her 21 birthday package, not mainly for me, what a friend of mine, my daughter's friend, who's like a kid to me, her makeup got broken into, so I was thinking it for maybe a gift later on this year for like not birthday per se, but Christmas or something. Um, But yeah, one of the packages was like $410, and I'm like, ooh, who's paying that much? But I can think of some other brands that I would probably go for a lot better. Not that this brand's not bad. It's really nice, but whew, not $410, no. And even 150, I think that's the most I've ever spent on a makeup brand at one time. I'm trying to think. I think did I come close with one Jeffree Star? No, that's the most I've ever spent because I love Kris Jenner, and like I had to have it. So she's my favorite Jenner, Kardashian, whatever. So I like her. I like her. So, anyways, you can see I got some of her shadows on my eyes, and I love it. So, anyways, on to the package, right? And I know this review, like y'all, probably like, girl, you always reviewing things late. Well, I like to save up my money, so and I like to see other people do reviews on it and use it because I don't want to spend money and then it's dust. So, anyways, it comes with a highlighter, like a highlighter blush kit, and it comes in this. And y'all, it's heavy. Okay, it's got some good weight to it. And this is the blush palette, and it's really cute. And it says, "You're doing amazing, sweetie." Now, this is one episode of theirs I did see, where Kim was been invited to pose for Playboy, and her mom was present, like I couldn't even wear like a swimsuit in front of my mom. I was just so like, I don't know. We were just real bashful around each other, so I don't know. Anyway, so mom Kim was super nervous about being naked. I know. But she was nervous at the time about being naked, and so she's like, "Mom, how am I doing?" And Mom said, "You're doing amazing, sweetie." So, anyways, this lovely palette comes with 4 like blushes and 2 highlighters, I guess. I'm not too sure about the colors, but the colors are called It's Snowing Pissy Willows, Your Sister's Going to Jail, Money Doesn't Grow on Trees, and I Raised You on Mac and Cheese. Really? Anyways, it's really cute. And actually, if you go over to Kylie's channel, I think Kris is doing a tutorial on her makeup, and it's really cute. So, anyways, there it is. And I don't know if these colors will work for me. I don't know. The Your Sister's Going to Jail is a little dusty, so I don't think it will work that good. I Raised You on Mac and Cheese is not bad. I could see myself wearing it. And Money Doesn't Grow on Trees looks good. Okay, so as you can see here, there is the swatches on darker skin. And the one that's standing out is called It's Snowing Pussy Willows. So that one kind of looks good. And the 2 dusty ones are Your Sister's Going to Jail and I Amaze You on Mac and Cheese. So those 2 I probably wouldn't use, or I'd mix it with something. I don't know. But it's heavy, y'all. Y'all could probably like knock somebody out with this. Maybe because it's the mirror that's what's making it heavy. I'm trying to see. No, it's actually the product is what's making it heavy. Anyways, I thought this was the eyeshadow palette, and it's Momager. And we all know that Kris has to get her 10% from her youngins. So Momager came with several lip glosses, and like lipstick. And I gave some of it away, y'all, because I told you about my daughter's friend, so I know. When someone has a makeup emergency, they always know who to call, okay? I might have a package of black eyeliner unopened, or, not that I let makeup sit around, but I go through phases where I use makeup every day and where I don't use anything at all. You know what I mean? And, so anyways, I gave the pretty red one away. And you'll see it in Mom's video. Middle finger is an orangey. It comes in this little tube here, right here. And middle finger is super orange. And I don't think that's going to work. It's like orange. And this one is called Overwhelmed Velvet. I guess maybe Velvet's the formula. I don't know. Oh, that one's pretty. I could see myself wearing that one. Do I have the other ones here? Yeah. Then I have This Is Everything. Oh, it's a gloss. Okay, so Velvet is the formula. And for some reason, y'all, this brush came like this. If you can see that. Like, kind of wonky. I don't know. And you know what? Shipping took a while too. I think I paid extra for shipping, and it still took a little bit. I didn't think I'd ever get my stuff, or that the mailman would leave it on the porch. And y'all guys know, y'all know that story. Mailman leaves it on the porch in an apartment complex. You ain't gonna see it unless you're coming right home. Good luck with seeing it ever again. Okay, so this is, what is this one called? Too blessed. Yes, you are blessed, Kim or Kris. That's really pretty. And y'all can see it swatched on my arm. Let me hold my arm up here. See? The orange one, I don't think I'll wear. I think that might, I don't know who I could give that to. Oh, one last one is called Boss, and it's a matte. Let me see how Boss Lady fits here. It's like kind of orangey looking, like a coral, and it's very liquidy, like almost runny. I don't know about that. Speaking of runny, y'all, I tried out Fenty's. I know this isn't a Fenty video, but I wanted to say it while I was thinking of it. I tried out Fenty's new, well, it's not new, it's new to me. I tried out her Stunna lipstick. Everyone had raised about liquid lip. I do not like it. It's too runny. It maybe I'm doing it wrong, or maybe I need some primer. I don't know. If you guys have it and you're doing good with it, just drop me a line below and maybe you can help me, because it's fixing to go in trash. So anyways, so with liquid lipstick, I'm not having much luck on it. I don't know, it doesn't look right, and I know you're supposed to swipe in one direction and you line first and blah blah blah, but it's a lot of work. Okay, so anyways, this is the palette, and Mom wants her 10%. 10%. I absolutely love this. Love this. Love this. And it's got the names on there called, on the back. As you can see. I'm going to try to get it focused here. I'll be glad when I can get a new camera. Anyways, I guess Kris's favorite drink is firewater, also known as vodka. And so that's what she has. And what I have on my eyes, in the middle, I have Very Nice. And I have Does It Come in Black on the outer corner and under my eyes. And I have Vodka Tonic towards the middle. And I cannot drink that stuff. My stuff tears my gut up. I don't know how she does it. And this box, the box is really cute. Yeah, I showed you guys at first. But it comes with little Kylie there with a little kiss there. And, thank you for loving my mom and all that other stuff. And so that's it. So, usually these makeup companies have a sale around Labor Day, which is coming up in about 2 weeks. So I did see that they restocked it back on the website, but they might have a sale. So if you want to get Momager, if all the things I would recommend getting, especially if you're my skin tone, is the palette. And it's heavy too. It feels heavy. I would get this because the colors are gorgeous. There is some fallout. Y'all know the deal with that. I don't really care about the fallout. But yeah, this right here is a keeper. The only thing I wish there was like a matte oh, these are purple. Sorry. I was gonna say I wish there was a matte purple, but looking closely at it, I guess I looked at it without my glasses on. I said, there is a kind of a matte purple in there. So it's like purples and like browns. And the colors are really good. As you can see, they show up. And the only thing I have under my eyes is primer. I don't have concealer on or anything like I usually do. And so that's it. This is Slay or Die. I hope you like my quick and kind of casual review. I guess it's not quick because I see the clock here and it says 15 minutes. But Gotta get this, squeeze this in before my kiddos get home. They just started school. So anyways, I hope you guys like this quick review, and I hope you stay slaying or die trying. Thank you for listening. Bye.